Hurricane Melissa disrupted communities across Jamaica, but experts say the hurricane also had a serious impact on animals, both in the wild and in households. TVJ News spoke to wildlife researchers and animal rescue groups about the challenges many animals now face. Antonia Atkinson has this report.
As communities begin the process of rebuilding homes and roads, animals too are starting from scratch. Birds, bees and butterflies have been displaced because the hurricane impacted more than 270,000 hectares of forest. In Westmoreland, frogs have taken refuge in flooded backyards.
Haven't seen much assistance. And then with the storm now the other day, you see a lot of green frogs have come into play. And all the neighboring houses and yards around, they've been affected. And that is something that is affecting us.
After I storm, we see them kids, them afraid of them a jump high, them a jump in a house, then sticky, it just weird, you know, very weird. And the kids, them are concerned about mostly.
Crocodiles too have lost their way, but they continue to encounter the cruel hands of some citizens.
These are crocodiles. A number of these animals, we build our home in wetlands. You can find them in drains, river. They got displaced showing up in areas pretty close to people. And a number of people fear them, so they try to catch, or they report it to NEPA. We ask people not to try and catch them, leave it for the expert.
In fact, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, has said crocodile cruelty is on the rise. In a statement this week, it cautioned that these animals play a vital role in maintaining the health of our wetlands by keeping fish populations balanced and supporting the stability of our coastal ecosystems. Other cold-blooded animals like fish were also impacted by the hurricane. We put the issue to marine biologist Dr. Camilo Trench.
The ones that can swim away will swim away. But most fishes, other things like that, octopus and other invertebrates, lobsters, crabs, stuff like that, they'll just hide in the crevices. And that is why it's important that we have coral reefs and other structures which are three-dimensional that provides hiding places for these animals.
And even before the hurricane, Managing Director of the Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Pamela Lawson, says animals often sense danger early but have few safe spaces to escape to.
The Friday after the hurricane, I went down into Montego Bay, touched base with Montego Bay Animal Haven. I know that Animal House has received. I went to Negril Spay and Neuter Clinic. So we've been going and touching base with the other shelters and helping them. And I'm going to be delivering, they've received food, and I'm going to deliver more food and supplies. If we don't get our livestock up, Christmas is already going to be dark. Y'all going to miss your ham and your beef and your chicken. We have to get our livestock industry back up. And
as the country's wildlife continues to search for a new home, it cannot go unnoticed the number of animals that didn't survive Melissa's wrath. The Agriculture Ministry estimates that more than 1 million animals, including small ruminants, poultry and cattle, have been lost. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.